What's going on, guys? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. As you guys read in the title of this video, I just wanted to go over the top trade that I made today on July 10th in 2018. And for those of you guys that are new to my channel, my name is Stas and I make videos dealing with swing trading, day trading, long-term investing, and my philosophies and strategies in the stock market. So for those of you guys that are interested in learning more about the stock market, learning how I trade, and pretty much just swing trading, day trading, and long-term investing, feel free to come over here and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you guys in my community, in this community that we're building here on YouTube and also on Instagram. If you guys want to come over here and follow me there, I would love to have you guys there as well. My username is @StriveSmart, and pretty much that is what I do and focus on this particular channel. And let's hop into the topic of this video very quickly and talk about the top stock that I was trading today and why I'm holding it for the rest of this week and pretty much until it hits my price target. So we're going to go over here to the Think or Swim platform and talk a little bit about DGAS. And for those of you guys that don't know, DGAS is an inverse ETF. Its inverse being UGAS. And these two ETFs, they trade based upon /NG, or the natural gas commodity. And what we notice here, guys, in the natural gas commodity is that it's been going up over time, creating higher highs. And for those of you guys that don't know, whenever natural gas is going up in price, that means the bull ETF, which is UGAS, is going up in price as well. And why we've been trading DGAS, which is the bear ETF, meaning whenever natural gas is going down in price, DGAS is going up in price, is pretty much because natural gas has broken this channel that it was in, trading between $2.90 up to $3. And like I mentioned earlier, guys, natural gas has been on an uptrending pattern over the past couple of months, meaning it's creating higher highs. It's riding the EMA line, this blue EMA line right here, the exponential moving average, right? And that pretty much means that it's acting as a support level, meaning that this commodity is on an uptrending pattern. And once we hit early May here, we see that natural gas started to go on this horizontal pattern, like I said, between $2.90 up to $3. And what we noticed here, guys, is that natural gas, it hit a high at about $3.05, and then it started to make some lower highs here. The next high was at about $2.99, and then it repeated that at about $2.99. And what we noticed here, guys, is that it did not stop and consolidate at this support level at $2.90, meaning that this could be a break of pattern. And what we've noticed over the past couple of days is that it was a break of pattern, meaning that now natural gas is not consolidating at the support level anymore. It broke beneath it, and now it's trading below the EMA line, with the EMA line acting as a resistance level instead of a support level. So this does mean that natural gas is currently on a downtrending pattern, as the EMA line, the SMA line here, and this yellow SMA line is also acting as a resistance level. So what pretty much we're doing in this particular case is we're trading DGAS. And for those of you guys that watched my previous couple of videos, I was talking about how I'm slowly scaling into the position with DGAS. And what we notice here, guys, is that DGAS is actually doing the opposite of natural gas, because it's the inverse to it, right? And it's riding the EMA line. The EMA line is acting as a support level, meaning that DGAS is currently on an uptrending pattern. And what we see here, guys, also is that the 50-day simple moving average just crossed above the 180-day simple moving average, which is a very good signal of an uptrending pattern, and the EMA line is pointing up as well. And if I go a little bit closer here to the 20-day 1-hour chart, I'm going to show you guys exactly where I purchased shares. And I've purchased shares 3 separate times, and I actually put all of these different times that I bought these shares on my Instagram story, and a bunch of people have been messaging me about what I'm doing with DGAS. And I don't really give advice to people and telling them exactly where to buy. Usually if they ask me like where should I buy, where should I sell, I don't really give those answers, because I'm not a financial advisor, and what I preach on this channel is you to do your own research and pretty much invest on what you know and invest on what you understand, right? So what I pretty much did with DGAS is that I got in initially at about $24.85. I got in with a smaller position of $600, like I said in my previous video, right? And I got in earlier this morning again at $25.30. If we go back here to the 5-day 5-minute chart, I can show you this much clearer. So I got in here at about $24.80, like I said. Got in again earlier today at about $25.30. And then I took another position later on in the day at $25.90. So right now my average position on DGAS is about $25.50, and I'm in with about 90 shares. My total position is about $2,500 right now, and I plan on holding it for a couple more days. And what we were talking about in the previous video with DGAS, right, is that this is a crucial resistance level for DGAS at about $25.50. And why this is a crucial resistance level is because the previous support levels, once they're broken beneath of, they become new resistance levels. So once the price broke below $25.50, that became a new resistance level. And what we saw today, guys, is that pretty much DGAS blew past this $25.50 support, or resistance level, which is a very good sign that it could start shooting up even more and possibly hit the $28 to $29 price point. And this is pretty much why I'm holding DGAS for a couple of more days. And my price target to sell is around $27.50 to $28. And that's what I'm currently looking to do with DGAS. And if I go a little bit closer here to the 5-day, 5-minute chart, at my average position at $25.50, actually, let's go back to the 180 actually. At $25.50, where I'm at currently right now, up to $27.50, that's an 8% trade, right? And that's the next resistance level, because we see here, like I drew out earlier, right? This is the next resistance level past the 25.50. The next one is about 27.50. So that's an 8% trade. And like I've mentioned in previous videos, my weekly goal is 5%. So this, if this all goes as planned with DGAS, I will be hitting my weekly goal on one trade. And this is the only trade that I ended up taking today. And I mentioned earlier in my other videos as well that I'm looking heavily into LABD, and I'm actually in with a smaller position at $21.80. And this one is actually doing pretty well right now. It's holding above that support level that we were talking about at about $22, right? And what this one trades based upon is SPS IBI. This is an S&P Biotechnology Industry Index. And pretty much whenever this index is going down in price, LABD is going up in price. And why I see value in LABD, guys, is because we see, this index that it trades based upon, it's at a crucial resistance level right now at about 7,900, right? And the previous time that it hit a resistance level, we can see that drawn out right here, it bounced right back down. And there is potential for SPS IBI to bounce back down, maybe to the 180-day SMA line if it's going to continue this uptrending pattern, or it could fall down, back to $6,000 or $7,000, excuse me. But obviously, we cannot predict the market, and the past 2 days, this particular index has had 2 red days in a row, which is a good sign that it could be reversing and moving down in price. But I still have yet to add more to my LABD position because it has not fully confirmed the downtrending pattern just yet. Let's say tomorrow it opens up. Now we see it's at 77.40. Let's say tomorrow it opens up at about 7,600 and starts to move down from there. I will add more into my LABD position, if that happens. So that's pretty much what I ended up doing today. Only took one trade. I was pretty much just scalping DGAS all day, right? And I'm still looking at LABD. Like I said, I might add more to my position if all goes as planned with this particular index, right? And yeah, that is what I ended up doing today. And if you guys want to see all my profits, they are on my Instagram story. I post every single day my profits, trades that I'm taking, updates to my channel, when videos are coming out, and just random stuff on my Instagram. So for those of you guys that want to follow me there, again, the link is down below in my description. @StriveSmart is my username. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found some value in it. Leave a comment, drop a like, and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos from me. And leave a comment especially telling me what you guys want to see more of on this channel. I know there's a bunch of trading videos, swing trading, day trading. I'm going to be doing more long-term investment videos. I'm going to be showing you guys my long-term investment portfolio. That's something that I have up my sleeve, and I'm just going to be, waiting to release that video very, very soon. So I hope you guys found some value in this video. Make sure to do your your own research when it comes down to investing in the stock market. Do not buy or sell based off of my opinion, because that is not how you're going to become successful at this over time. That's the whole goal here, guys. That's what I'm trying to teach you guys on this channel, and I'm documenting my journey, pretty much showing you guys how I'm doing this on my own and trying to be consistent and successful over time. So again, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Let's make some money today, guys. Peace!